Hello, dear friends. I am Abdul Jabbar, and you are seeing my YouTube channel Treehouse. Today, we will start the WordPress course from zero to advanced level. So, let's start WordPress course. First of all, we should know what is content management system. So, in introduction, let's start with how it was and when was it born. Books in 1994 and builds in mid-90s, Ignace 1999 and Viganti, the main features were a very structured development environment and you had to use tags and templates because there was no what you see is what you gain. So first of all, what is content management system? CMS. CMS is a system used to manage content on a website. It covers complete life cycle of pages on website. Content can be anything. It requires almost no technical skills or knowledge. It keeps the track of every piece of content on our website. There are two elements of CMS: Content Management Application (CMA), Content Delivery Application (CDA). So today, well-known CMS are big. Dear friends, these are the popular CMS. First one is Joomla, second one is Drupal, third one is WordPress, fourth one is Cake PHP, fifth one is Membo, and sixth is Zen, Cod, and last one is Bootstrap. So, dear friends, the main popular CMS is Drupal, but the most popular and easy to learn CMS is WordPress. How CMS works? Basic information flow. Template is designed. Content is entered as plain text or HTML into database. Content is placed in template for display to the end user. For example, page content and page template and end user see the template and use it. So this is the diagram of whole database and CMS. First of all, CMS system that this has template layout, colors, navigations, and content usually text. But end user see complete web page. So this is the main template of CMS. How CMS works? Dear friends, CMS website has design managers. They have full rights. For example, authors, which can say that these are the administrators, and content contributors. They have limited rights, and editors. They have some moderated rights, and approvers. These users have moderated rights. They only can approve comments and approve users, and site visitors are also here. They have no any rights. They just visit the sites. Now, life cycle of CMS functionality. Functionality of CMS broken down into content creation, content management, publishing, presentation. Why this is a good thing? It's a put user in control. Don't have to be expertise. What to learn HTML when CMS available. Large scale changes can be made to site much easier. Structured content and content reuse. Security and control saves money and time. Open source, so it is win-win condition for the user dear. My advice: there is no one size fits all solution. By allocating sufficient time and resources, we can have best possible solution. Take time to determine requirements and select accordingly. Content management system. Thank you. Dear friends, if you have seen the videos best, then subscribe my channel as all videos you can receive.